I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans?
Because then you're just making it like.
Hi, I'm
fuck
Chloe.
off.
Hi, I'm Chloe, and I sound like the girl of Hannah Montana.
You gonna introduce yourself?
No,
Oh, this is Elle.
I'm antisocial.
And we're gonna sing Payphone by Maroon 5.
No, we're not. Are we?
She's being such a dick today. She's really
Fuck!
annoying me. Okay.
Can you please move over? You're really
I'm
making.
at
Oh, you're making me think like I'm on my own.
trying to go
Ah!
home.
Move
All of my
over.
change I've spent
Move
on
over.
you. I already did move over.
Yeah, stay there.
Was there? But you were supposed to move over too.
I did move over.
Didn't? No, but I was moving up, so you can
No,
move up.
please,
So we
wait,
can.
no. We're both in the camera. If you move over, just move
No, but
over.
we would have been more
Move
in the camera.
Over.
Wait, I need to
Move
fix
your
it
body.
first. Sit there and use the laptop.
That time when we called it love, but even the
Hi, I'm Chloe.
Why do I always embarrass myself?
I'm Chloe.
I'm not even saying my name. God wouldn't want me to
And
say
this
my
is
name.
Elle.
Yeah!
And
We're not.
this is embarrassing.
We're not keeping this video.
Right, this is serious.
where are the plans we made for two?
Don't do that.
Hi, I'm Chloe.
Oh, fuck off. That was terrible. Sorry. Will you stop catching me on when I'm like this?
I can tell you. I'm
On
sorry.
you. Where have the times gone, baby?
Hi, I'm Chloe.
Hi, I'm Ellie.
And we're gonna sing Payphone by Maroon 5.
Please
I
don't.
did a dark face. I didn't mean to. Okay. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I've spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? In our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. I think this is a blooper video.
There was a mum up in the boat.
I still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise.